Do you want to speak English confidently but don't know where to start?
Maybe you think English is too hard, but what if I told you that all you need are simple sentences used every day?
That's right. Today, we'll show you how small, simple sentences can open big doors in your English journey. Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna.
And I'm William. In today's episode, we'll learn how to use simple English sentences in daily life.
You don't need complicated grammar or fancy words to speak well. You just need clarity, practice, and confidence.
That's so true, Anna. When we talk to people in real life, ordering food, greeting friends, asking for help, simple sentences make communication easy and natural.
So if you're ready to speak English every day, stay with us till the end because we'll practice, repeat, and even test your understanding with a fun quiz. Let's start simple. What is a simple sentence?
A simple sentence is one complete idea with a subject and the verb. For example, I eat breakfast or she works hard.
Right. It doesn't have to be long to be correct. I am happy is just 3 words, but it's perfect English.
Yes, many English learners think they must speak long, difficult sentences to sound fluent. But fluency is not about long, it's about clear.
Exactly. Even native speakers use short sentences every day. Listen to people around you. They say things like, "Let's go." "I'm tired." That's nice.
Simple, natural, and easy to use.
Let's go through some examples that you can use every day.
Sure.
Morning sentences first. Good morning. How are you today? I feel great. Let's have breakfast. It's a beautiful day.
Nice. And for work or school, you can say, I'm late. Let's start. I have homework. Can you help me? I don't understand.
See? All of these are simple and useful.
Yes. And for evening time, you can say, I'm home. Dinner smells good. I'm watching TV. I'm tired. Good night.
Every part of your day can use short English sentences like these. Hi, Mark. How are you today?
Hey, Alina. I'm good. Just a bit tired from work.
Oh, I understand. Do you want coffee or tea?
I'll have coffee, please. What about you?
I'll take tea. It's my favorite in the morning.
That sounds nice. How was your weekend?
It was great. I went to the park with my family.
Oh, that's wonderful. I stayed home and watched the movie.
Which movie did you watch?
A comedy. It was funny.
I love comedies too. Let's watch one together next time.
Sure. Let's do that.
This whole conversation uses only simple sentences, but it feels natural, right?
Exactly. Simple doesn't mean boring. It means clear and friendly.
Let's talk about why using simple sentences is so important.
Yes, many learners feel they must speak like a native speaker from day one, but that's not realistic and it causes stress.
True. The goal is communication, not perfection. You can express feelings, ideas, and thoughts even with basic grammar.
For example, you can say, I want to learn English. That's clear. You don't need to say, my primary intention is to acquire fluency in the English language.
Yes, simple wins.
Every time you use small, short sentences, you build confidence. When you are confident, your English grows faster.
So don't be afraid of small words. Be proud that you can use them well.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us.
I wake up early.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I like coffee.
I study English every day.
Great job, listeners. These sentences are easy, but they describe real actions. Try saying them about your own life. For example,
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I drink tea, not coffee.
Yes, personalize them. That makes practice more meaningful.
Question 1. Why are simple sentences useful for daily English?
Answer: because they help you speak clearly and confidently in real life. You can use them in any situation, at work, at school, or with friends. Simple sentences are easier to remember and practice.
Question 2. Can short sentences still be correct English?
Answer: yes, of course. A sentence like, I'm happy, or she runs, is complete and grammatically correct. Short does not mean wrong.
Question 3. How can I practice simple sentences every day?
Answer: describe your actions in English. I'm walking. I'm eating. I'm cooking. Talk to yourself in English throughout the day. It helps you think in English naturally.
Question 4. What if people don't understand me?
Answer: stay calm, repeat slowly, or use another simple word. You can also say, sorry, can you repeat? Or, communication is teamwork.
Question 5. How can I build confidence using simple English?
Answer: start small. Speak to a friend, record yourself, and celebrate every effort. Confidence grows from practice, not perfection. You see, English is not about using big words. It's about connecting hearts and minds.
I love that, Anna. English is a bridge, not a wall.
Yes, don't let fear stop you from using it. Mistakes are not a problem. They are signs that you are learning.
Exactly. Every fluent person wants to use short, broken sentences. Nobody starts perfect.
So take your time, enjoy the journey, and speak bravely. Here's something powerful to remember: simplicity is strength.
Yes. Think of babies. They speak in short sentences. I want, give me, play. But they are understood. That's communication.
The same rule works for English learners. The simpler you speak, the clearer you sound.
And with time, your sentences will grow longer naturally.
That's why we say, start simple, stay consistent, grow naturally. Let's repeat some of today's sentences.
I like books.
He plays football.
We go to school.
She cooks dinner.
They watch TV.
Listeners, if you can say these 5 sentences correctly, you're already speaking English. Okay, friends, it's quiz time.
Let's see how much you remember from today's lesson.
Question 1. What is a simple sentence? A short sentence with a clear meaning. B, a long sentence with many commas. Answer: a short sentence with a clear meaning.
Question 2. Which sentence is correct? A. I am happy. B. Am happy I. Answer A. I am happy.
Question 3. Which phrase means I don't understand? A, I'm okay. B, can you repeat that, please? Answer, B, can you repeat that, please?
Question 4. Why should you use simple sentences? A, because they help you speak naturally. B, because they sound funny. Answer, A, because they help you speak naturally.
Question 5. What's the best way to improve daily? A, think in English and use short sentences often. B, wait until you are perfect to speak. Answer, A, think in English and use short sentences often.
Great job, everyone. How many did you get right?
Anna, I think this lesson shows something important. You don't need big vocabulary to express your heart.
Absolutely, William. When you say, I love you, it's only 3 words, but it's powerful. When you say, I'm sorry, it can fix hearts. Simple words, big meaning.
Yes, and for our listeners, don't compare your English to others. Your English is unique. Your journey is special.
Every day you practice, you move forward. Even one small sentence spoken today is progress.
Remember, English learning is not a race, it's a road. You walk it step by step.
And each word you learn becomes a light on that road.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. And to all of you listening, promise yourself this. From today, you will use simple English every day. Speak at the store. Say good morning in English. Or tell a friend, I'm learning English.
Yes, don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now.
Be brave, be proud, and believe in your progress.
Let's end with one more practice. Everyone, repeat after us. I can speak English.
I learn every day.
I am improving.
I believe in myself.
Great job.
Keep repeating those sentences every morning. Positive words build positive habits.
And remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect to be powerful.
That's the secret. Use simple English, use it often, and use it with confidence.
Because simple sentences build strong speakers.
Thank you for joining us today.
We'll see you again in the next episode, only here on Simple English Space.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.